welcome to another tutorial, trainers and managers. This is Mohammed Ayman with another training system tutorial. This episode is how to create a training. So I want to create a training. How would I do that in this system? This will all take place in the training management tab. If you don't know how to use this tab, I would highly suggest you go watch the training management tab tutorial first. Then you can come here for the create a training session. Okay, without further ado, I will start giving the tutorial. So first of all, very simple, you can come over to the training management tab where you have a long button which says create training. We want to do that. I want to create a training. We can just press that. So I've pressed it. So I will be transported to this form, which is the training creation form. So once you're here, you can just start creating your training. So that's the first field of this form is your username. So the trainer, myself. So this will be automatically filled. So based on your email, it will just return your username. Okay. So this is my username. The first field that I actually need to fill is the participating healthcare. So in my training, which healthcares are actually coming? So let's say it's this hospital, let's say, and let's say I have 2 hospitals coming, so I can pick 2. If it's 1, yeah, no problem, 1. Okay, if it's 2, 2. Okay, so for the start time, end time, I can just choose, let's say my training is from today at 12 to today at 7, for example. So I can choose that. Then I can choose my devices. So let's say I'm using this device to train my trainees, and let's say I have one more device that is not in the list, so not in the settings. Yeah, so I can put in, for example, SN 86114 right there. Okay, so I have this device which is not in the list. I would like to edit, so I can edit that, and that will be entered as a custom entry. Okay, so I've added that, and then I can choose my training type. There is only 2, so I hope there is no error here. Yeah, so basically when you create a training and you choose your training type, it's pretty much fixed. Okay, so in the form, I would not suggest getting this field wrong because you cannot change it later. There's no way to change it. Okay, so it's permanent. So let's say I go for a main training. So my training is a main training. Then I can choose my trainee. So who is coming to this training right now? Okay, so let's say I'm trying to find this person named Mohammed Ayman, so I can search for it. Or I can, let's say I don't know their name. I know their passport IC number, so this is it. Okay, maybe I don't know their name, I just know their healthcare, so I can search by that also. And last thing, let's say I only know their trainee ID, so I can search by that also. Okay, simple as that. So now let's say I'm bringing both people that I have in the system, so these 2 people, so I can select them pretty easy, just a click of a button. Then I'm done. So I filled up everything. Let me show you an example where I don't fill up. For example, I don't fill up the device serial number. So if I try submitting, so it will say a form validation error. Please submit at least one of the fields. Some of the field is missing. So I will go back. So yes, I'm taking this serial number and this one. So let's see. So once everything is filled, there should be no problem, so you can submit. So I'm basically creating my training here. Yeah, so just give it a few minutes, maybe 40 seconds to 1 minute is enough for the form, because it will also create you your gradebook. Okay, so for the gradebook, later you can watch the gradebook tutorial, how to access your gradebook, as well as how to generate materials in the gradebook, as well as that. Yeah, so I will give that tutorial also. So now let's focus on this one. So if there is no error in the submission, you will get this model, a pretty looking success model. So the form was submitted successfully, or i.e. your training is created successfully. No problem. So you can say okay, great. I can come back to the training management tab where you can check if that training is already in there. So if we come here, you can see that it is in. So training number 2, the ID, the healthcares that I selected, these 2, today from 12 to 7, there you go. and the two serial numbers that I've chosen, as well as the main training type, as well as my the current status, when the default one, yeah, when you come in, it will be as in progress, as well as I can see from the participating trainees tab. So if I go there, I can see, of course, this one. So here, so there you go, that's my two people, so sample guy and myself. Okay, so for now, because I just created them, it's going to be ungraded. I've not even done the training, so that's about it. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial of creating a training. So I hope that was simple, and I hope you found that useful, and most importantly, do enjoy using the system. Take care and bye.